y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas day number 7. It is very late in the day. It's like 4:30. I've just been editing videos all day long, and that is pretty much what I've done. So now it's closer to dinner time and organizing stuff in my house. So I'm gonna be making my best New York strip steaks ever that you need to try, my friends. So definitely pay attention to what I do, because you will never eat steak the same ever again. So anyways, the goal right now is to finally get this in order. Now you guys are thinking, oh, that's not a very conventional dresser. Well, I know, okay? I used to have this big dresser, I'll show you in a minute, but I didn't like it. I think it's the reason why I'm haunted by ghosts, because it used to be in my grandmother's house, and just, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. So it's like, you know, whatever. So I bought this. It was originally $379, I think, from the at-home store, but it was kind of on sale a little bit, and then because it had like this little nick on it and then like a little nick down there, and clearly they weren't selling them, I paid a whopping $75. Well, it was 75 plus 75, but my boyfriend's mom paid for the other 75 for my anniversary gift, so we got this, we paid $75. But it's missing one of these only because I lost the screw, so we have to go like get a new screw. We just haven't yet. But today I'm finally going to put our clothes in here. Now I did the whole like basket thing. I've already put my socks and underwear. Now in my actual dresser, I had 2 drawers for socks and underwear because that's all that would fit. Now in these little things, they fit them all. So I have a feeling I'm gonna be able to fit so much more in here that I can get rid of that big green dresser in my beauty and filming room and all that. So I'm pretty pumped. Let me show you the dresser that I'm talking about so you guys can like be aware. I have like stuff, it's like stored in this room of things that I don't want. Like I have this dresser and stuff, and like my books. I put my coffee table there because I got a new coffee table. All of our air conditioners are back here. This thing that I don't know if I want, I'm probably gonna sell it. I have like my Christmas tree box here. I have a bunch of stuff in this closet. This is the biggest closet in my house, by the way. I have a 80s style ranch house, so this is the kind of closets you get in an 80s style ranch house. And then behind the dresser is like my dog's crate and stuff. But anyways, so I'm gonna start taking out more clothes and organizing so my boyfriend can get off my back. So I think this is gonna be like my lounge, like pajamas. I love me a good pajama, so I'm just going to start doing that. Which there's not a lot in here because a lot of it's been washed. Which also, if you guys ever see me wearing this Nashville women's rugby shirt as like a nightie, which I do because it's pretty long, I have several of them, and I feel like people think that I'm disgusting like when they see me like on Snapchat or Instagram wearing the same thing over. I have so many of those that I wear as nighties, so don't judge me. But if you do, just know that I have lots of them. But anyways, I'm going to organize this, and then I'll see you soon. Okay, so I definitely think it is looking pretty good right now. Of course, these 2 are mine and that's his, but like I also had an entire dresser full of stuff in my makeup room that I put in here, so I think we're pretty solid. Also, I kind of think it'd be cool to put like some things here and like hang stuff. I don't know, but time for me to do my dishes and then get to cooking. Okay, you guys, who is excited for dinner time? Okay, so we're just doing canned mushrooms because we ain't got time for that. And baby red mashed potatoes. I love these. But this is the winter chicken dinner, or shall I say steak dinner. This is the only steak I buy. I buy the New York strip steak. I get the thick one, not the like thin one, but like the thickish one. And this is the best. The only steak I buy other than a T-bone steak. I will not do anything else because they just don't taste as good. This is like prime meat, baby. So we're gonna do $3.75 and get it going. First thing is first, we need some, I can't believe it's not butter. And then we want to just, you know, grab some butter. You know, since I'm going to use this utensil, why, you know, ruin a perfectly good utensil when I'm already going to use it. So I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to get another little scoop and put it in here for my steak. Vlogging is hard. Okay, so I'm going to let that melt. Okay, so I drained the mushrooms. Now I'm just going to pour them in my pot because that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Don't look at me like that. That funny. Okay, here's where things get serious. We're going to take some salt, do that, get some pepper, some garlic powder, and some Worcestershire. There we go. And then it's perfect. And we're just gonna, you know, stir it around and let these babies cook. Now, this butter is starting to melt. You want to coat the thing with the butter like that. Now, I highly recommend you always clean your meat before you cook it, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, so now we're going to take our meat and we're going to be very quick with this, okay? We're going to plop it down. You should hear the sizzle, but not too much sizzle, okay? Now, here, again, where we got to be quick. We need a salt. Salt. Steak loves salt. Say it with me. Steak loves salt. Okay. Pepper. Like so. Okay, pepper. Some garlic powder. Boom. Okay, now we want to flip it. Okay, we got seasoning on one side, okay? Now this is where the steak is going to get delicious. And shout out to the boyfriend for holding the camera. So we're going to salt it up a little bit again. Salt. A little pepper. Yes. Garlic powder. Awesome. Now, this is where things get good, okay? And I'm almost out of this, so I'm a little sad. We gotta buy some more. Write that on the list. We gotta buy some more. Okay, zoom in on this. This is good. Applewood rub, okay? Grill Master McCormick, please sponsor me. You need this. I don't think we're gonna get a double coating. And the other thing, not that, this. McCormick brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Okay, don't think you're out of the woods yet. You let this sit for about 3 minutes, right? I can't tell time. So, yeah, that's fine. Now let's turn it over because this side's gonna cook the most. We're gonna turn it over. Okay, now this is where it's gonna get, say it with me, exciting. So we need to add some more of this rub on this side. Whatever we have left, McCormick sponsor me and send me more of this rub. So the steak's not going to be as good tonight because we're out of rub. More of this. We're out of the rub. See, we didn't pre-plan to run out of the rub. We ran out of this too. Great. Okay, this is where it's going to get a little tricky. Because we don't have as much goodness, we're going to use some more Worcestershire. Worst year of is 2020. We're just going to add a little bit of it in here. Usually I'll add like a dollop, but since we don't have too much flavor to go on this go around, we're just going to do that. This is the kicker. The garlic in this container here. Now, zoom in on this. Zoom in on this, okay? Bam. Bam. You can never have too much garlic. You just kind of spread that evenly all over the steak. Beautiful. Now, here is something else magical. A little bit more butter. All right, the butter's gonna melt, and it's gonna melt with the rub and the brown sugar and the chunks of garlic, and it's gonna create a sauce. It's gonna be so good because we're gonna put it over mashed potatoes. I should have a cooking show, shouldn't I? Now that it is sat here for a hot minute, we're going to flip it once again because I want that brown sugar glaze to really hit on the bottom. Normally I wouldn't do the like flip over, but considering I really only did the one side because we are apparently out and I picked the worst possible day to show you how to make the best steak you've ever had in your life. There we go. Now, we're going to put this in the oven at 375. It is preheated, and we're going to stick it in there for 10 minutes. I kind of feel like the Cat in the Hat right now, you know, when he's like doing the baking. But wait, there's more, and then he's like, you know, chop, whatever. Okay, timer, you know what I'm talking about? Where he like chops his tail off and he's like, son of a, and then it's like, please stand by. Whatever. Okay, so it's gonna go in there for 10 minutes. Not a minute more, not a minute less. We're gonna work on the potatoes. So now we get our baby reds. We wait for this water to boil and we put those in there. Now it's 2 cups of water. I always do hot water so it'll boil faster. Since I'm a professional chef, allegedly, I just eyeball it. Your finger's in front of the thing. You're the worst cameraman ever. Where is Andrew Sawicki when you need him? I'm just saying. So, gotta get these mushrooms really stirred. And, oh, wait, what's that video where he's like, Mario, the mushroom. You know what I'm talking about? Remember that?
No.
That video that he showed us and it was really funny? It was like, oh, it's the mushroom. Mario, it's the mushroom. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
You don't remember that? Cody showed it to us.
No.
Or maybe he just showed me. I showed you that video.
No.
And it was those guys in the woods and he was like, Mario, oh no, the mushroom, Mario, whatever. I'll come back when there's an update. Ooh, you looking sexy. Let's see those tattoos. Ooh, and you got some chest hair. Let's see this one. Let's see this tattoo. Show the ladies. I told him that this would have looked better if it was blue because my eyes are blue, but nobody can be as perfect as me.
Yeah, whatever.
My cameraman is fired for playing Call of Duty. Okay, so the timer is done. I'm gonna turn the oven off. Now, people, the most obvious and important thing, oven mitt, okay? I can't stress that enough. And here's the problem. Here's the problem. You're going to forget that this pan is hot. Don't do that, okay? So just remember, don't touch this handle without an oven mitt, okay? I've done that several times. Also, who wants to take out my trash? Anyways, steaks are done. You see this like liquidy juice here? Yeah, that's what we want. We're gonna like glaze the potatoes and steak with that, and then when you're eating that with the garlic bits in there, oh my god, it's gonna be so good. I cannot wait to eat this steak like Jeffrey Dahmer, the people nommer, okay? Jeffrey Dahmer, the people nommer. Oh, and if you're thinking this is dirty, it's not dirty. It's just rusted. And I don't know how to take it out because I wanted to spray paint it. So don't think I'm a dirty hoe. That's rust. It came with the house, okay? Thank you. Deck the halls with bells of holly. Rah, 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 rah. I need to dust my fireplace. Rah, 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 rah. 'Tis the season for some balding. Rah, 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 rah. I can't remember if I mentioned this, but let your meat rest for 10 minutes. Don't touch it. Don't cut it open. Don't see if it's cooked all the way, okay? Let it rest for 10 minutes. I don't know if it's done, actually. Hold on. Because this looks actually kind of pink. Like, I don't know if it's done. Hold on.
You said 10 minutes, not a minute more or less.
No, that looks good, doesn't it? Right? Pretty pink, you know, right?
Can't be given the wrong instructions.
You think that's done?
Well, considering you can eat it pink like that, I'd say it's fine.
I want the less pink one, so this one's yours. Hold on, we gotta give the people what they want. We gotta give the people what they want. Hold on. Now we're gonna make our plate of food. We're gonna grab our potatoes. Potato. This is my boyfriend's. You put the steak on the potatoes, and then you get the mushrooms. Hold on, we're not done with our steps yet. Here's the key. You get the sauce, and then you, okay, we're gonna have to drizzle this sauce. Hold on. I'm gonna need a zoom. Okay, so we get this sauce, and we get that drizzled on there, and we make sure we drizzle it on the potatoes. Drizzle it on the mushrooms, because we like this sauce. So good. Make sure you get some garlic all over there. Yes, baby. Is a steak dinner. Yes! Minus, you know, not as much rub. Excuse me. Now for the thumbnail. I want to do like an Instagram baddie thumbnail. Can't make it look like I'm messy. Okay, hold on. Now this is an Instagram baddie thumbnail. Shoes, the house shoes. These were $50 therapeutic shoes or something for your arches. Hold on. Oh, shiitanke mushrooms. Does this look good? Ella, come here. Sit down. You're going to be my pit bull. Come here. Sit. No, look at the camera. Oh no, the cat's coming. I'm going to have a full crew. All right. Yeti, sit. No. Okay, that's fine. Ow! Okay, ow! 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 Oh, my legs hurt. Oh, God bless America. No, don't record this. Stop recording. Turn it off. My dinner was delish. Now I'm going to indulge in one of these little guys. You know, the thing that you just find in, you know, your grandma's purse and you don't know where it came from. Little strawberry. Do you like your last name? Yeah. Get it on my mouth.
That's what she said.
Tina Fey is getting it. Oh. Oh, it tastes old.